Hey guys, it's Miss Slaughter. Today we are going to work on additional practice 11.3, solving two-step word problems with all the operations. Remember the word operations? That means to multiply, add, subtract, divide. Those are your operations. So hopefully you have read the example and you looked at it and saw what the word is asking of you. And at this point you're going, Miss Slaughter, I'm super confused, I'm not sure. So we're going to go ahead and do number one. I'm going to do number one with you. So here's number one. It says, Rami bought one pair of jeans and two t-shirts. How much did Rami spend? Write equations to solve. Use letters to represent unknown quantities. Okay, so remember in our multi-step word problems, our directions are to one, read the whole problem first, which we just did. Read this. Number two, work out, write, show one sentence at a time, which is what we're going to start. And then number three, draw pictures, show your work, use your known strategies. And then number four, reread the question. So let's look at one sentence at a time. Rami bought one pair of jeans and two t-shirts. Okay, so if I look at the pictures, I know that a shirt costs $8 and a pair of jeans costs $18. So over here, I'm going to write my numbers or my letters. S equals shirt. So S stands for shirt, and I know that a shirt costs $8. And then if I look back over here, a pair of jeans, and I'm going to put a J for jeans. And that equals $18 for one pair. Okay, so I'm going to come back over here, and it says Rami bought one pair of jeans and two t-shirts. So I know that 1 times 18, because one group of jeans, one pair of jeans, he only bought one, so 1 times 18 is 18. And I'm going to come back over here, and it says he bought two t-shirts. And again, we know that t-shirts cost $8, so that is two t-shirts, two groups of 8. Okay, and what is 2 times 8? 2 times 8 equals 16. Okay, so very simple. We did our unknown numbers, S and J. We have our 1 times 18 equals 18, 2 times 8 equals 16. So now I'm going to go back over and look at the next sentence. And it says, how much did Rami spend? So we want to know how much did he spend for that one pair of jeans and two t-shirts together. So if we're thinking about how much did he spend together, we're going to take our answers from our previous problem, our products, and we're going to add 18 plus 16. Okay, I'm going to circle my operation so I know what I'm working on. So we're adding, because he bought one shirt and he bought one pair of jeans and he bought two shirts. So he wants to know how much did he spend. So if he spent 18 on the jeans and 16 on the shirts, how much did he spend all together? So let's add this together. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So Rami spent $34. Well, let's make sure we're answering the rest of the question. It says write equations to solve and use letters to represent unknown quantities. Okay, so we pretty much did that. Here is our equations, and we know that our final answer is 34. So we write it like this. Rami spent $34. Okay, and that's the end of number one. So hopefully you know how to work that out now. Go ahead and do the rest of the worksheet. Go ahead and do number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Have mom take a picture of number 6, so that way, or dad, or brother or sister, and send it to me through Remind, email, Edsby, however you can get it to me, so that way I know you're working on your math and I can grade it. So go ahead and do number 6. Remember, we're going to be on the computer, Zoom, between 8 and 12 today to answer any questions. So if you're stuck, please come on the Zoom, click on that link in Clever. Let me go show you real quick that link in Clever. It is under Monday. So here's Monday. So go ahead and click on the Zoom, 8 a.m. to 12 noon, and you'll be able to join our meeting, and you can ask me anything that you need for help with the math problem for today. All right, guys, I hope that was help. Have a good time, and I hope to see you at the Zoom meeting today. Bye, guys.